See the next type of example here. A, B working together can finish the certain piece of work in 10 days. B and C can finish the same piece of work in 12 days, while C and A can finish it in 15 days. How many days A can finish the work working alone? AB is completed work in 10 days. So time taken by A plus B is 10 days and time taken by B plus C in 12 days and time taken by A and C is 15 days. So if we take the LCM of this quantity, so we get the work, because here work is not given. So let us consider the work is nothing but the LCM of this quantity. So it is a LCM is 60. Now we have to find their capacity, and we know that the formula of finding capacity is work upon time. 60 divided by 10, so it is a 6. That is nothing but capacity of A plus B. Then next is 60 divided by 12 is 5. That is nothing but the capacity of BC. Then next is 60 divided by 15. That is a 4, capacity of AC. If we add this term, so here it is nothing but 15 and it is nothing but the capacity of twice A plus B plus C. Why? Because here it is a AB capacity is 6 and BC capacity is 5. So when we are adding this term, तो B यहाँ पे twice count हो रहा है. Similarly A यहाँ पे twice and C here twice. So when we are adding this three term, it gives the capacity of twice of A plus B plus C. So here BC, capacity of BC already given, it is a 5, and here if we divide this 2, then it is a plus 5 is equals to 15 by 2. Simplify this term, so we will get the capacity of A. So here capacity of A, 5 we have to shift into right hand side, 5 by 2 is the capacity of A. We have to find the time taken by A. So work is 60, capacity is A. If we put here, then time is equals to, from this term, time is equals to work upon C. Here to find the time taken by A, so formula of finding time is equals to, from this term, it is a work upon C. Here work is 60 and capacity of person A is 5 by 2. Simplify this term. So 60 divided by 5 is 12 into 2, that is answer is 24. So अगर A alone work complete करेगा तो it takes 24 days to complete same piece of work.